everyone. Myself Dr. Tamanna Mahajan, consultant ENT at Adenoids. What are adenoids? Adenoids होते हैं, they are a lymphoid tissue, that is a normal tissue present on the back of your nose, back of the nasal cavity. When we are born with it. At the age of 6 years, it keeps on increasing. After 6 years, it tends to decrease in size. That are the adenoids. Now, what are the function of adenoids? Again, just like tonsils, it is a tissue that help you from the bacteria, from the viruses. Now, what are adenoid hypertrophy? Adenoid hypertrophy means there are the swollen tissues, swollen adenoids. It happens most commonly in children and very rarely in adults. Sometimes in children, they tend to develop nasal infections, they tend to develop adenoid infections. In those children, they tend to increase in size. Once they increase in size, they will develop symptoms. Symptoms like nasal obstruction, symptoms like mouth breathing, snoring at night, multiple and recurrent ear infections. Then only you should consider for the treatment of adenoiditis. Parents will often complain that the patient or their child is not able to sleep properly at night. He or she is getting up again and again. Either he or she is snoring, or he or she is not able to take proper breathing through the nose. He or she has to get up again and again just to take breath, just to be relieved of the nasal obstruction. Only then we consider treatment. Now, treatment involves either nasal sprays or surgery. Nasal sprays are given only in the case of mild infections or mild hypertrophies. Surgery is considered in case of grade 4 hypertrophy. We usually grade the adenoids. We grade the size of adenoids. Grade 1, 2, 3 and 4. Grade 1 and 2 are the very mild stages. They will be settled with the nasal sprays. Grade 3 and 4 are the stages when a child has to undergo surgery. Again, coming to the surgery, what is the type of surgery? What is the name of surgery? It is a very common procedure. It is called as adenoidectomy. It can be done again with the multiple procedures. It can be done with the steel instruments. It can be done with the laser or with the ablation. The procedure with the least complications and the latest technology that we are using for adenoids is coblation adenoidectomy.